Wildebeests, also known as gnus, are large herbivorous mammals native to Africa. They belong to the genus Conocetes and are divided into two main species: the blue wildebeest, Conocetes taurinus, and the black wildebeest, Conocetes gnor. They are well known for their dramatic migrations and for being a major part of the African savannas and grasslands. Here's a detailed breakdown of the life of a wildebeest. Wildebeests are large animals, weighing between 120 to 250 kilograms or 264 to 550 pounds, depending on the species and sex. Males tend to be larger than females. They have a distinctive appearance with a broad head, long face, and a beard-like tuft of hair under the chin. Their horns are curved and swept back, creating a unique silhouette. The blue wildebeest is predominantly greyish-blue with dark manes and tails, while the black wildebeest has a darker, almost black coat with a white tail tip and leg markings. Wildebeests are herbivores and primarily feed on grasses. They have a highly developed digestive system designed to process tough grasses and extract nutrients. They are considered grazers and spend a significant amount of their time foraging for food. Wildebeests graze in open savannas, preferring short, fresh grasses over taller, fibrous ones. Their feeding behavior is a crucial part of their migration, as they move in search of fresh grazing land during different seasons. Wildebeests live in large herds, which can number in the hundreds or even thousands. These herds provide protection against predators, with the animals relying on numbers for safety. Within the herd, there is a loose social structure. Older, experienced males often lead the herd or form bachelor groups, while females and younger wildebeests travel together. The herd is often organized in a way that allows for the weak and young to be protected in the center, with older individuals taking positions at the front and rear of the group. Wildebeests are known for their strong group mentality, where members will stay together and move as one, especially when fleeing predators. Wildebeests typically give birth during the rainy season, when food is abundant and conditions are more favorable for raising young. Gestation lasts around 8 months, and calves are born in a relatively short window, with many being born within a few weeks of each other. This synchronized birthing is an adaptation to overwhelm predators. Newborn calves are able to stand and walk within hours of birth, allowing them to keep up with the herd and avoid predators. The first few days of life are critical, and the calf must quickly become part of the herd for safety. Wildebeest calves are weaned at about 6 months of age, but will continue to stay with the herd for much longer. They reach sexual maturity at around 2 to 3 years of age. Males often leave their birth herds as they mature and join bachelor groups or attempt to challenge older males for control of a female group. One of the most famous aspects of wildebeest life cycle is their annual migration, which is driven by the search for food and water. Wildebeest migrations are considered one of the greatest wildlife spectacles in the world. Wildebeests, along with zebras and gazelles, migrate in huge numbers, often crossing rivers and vast distances, sometimes over 1,000 kilometers. The timing of the migration depends on the availability of water and grazing land, which is heavily influenced by rainfall patterns in the region. The migration is dangerous and challenging, as wildebeests must navigate predators like lions, crocodiles, and hyenas, and often face treacherous river crossings. The Great Migration primarily occurs in the Serengeti Mara ecosystem, where wildebeests follow a predictable pattern, moving from the southern Serengeti to the northern regions and back again as the seasons change. Wildebeests are preyed upon by a variety of carnivores, including lions, hyenas, cheetahs, and crocodiles. Their large size and herd structure help provide protection, but they are still vulnerable to attacks, particularly the young, sick, and old. During migration, river crossings are especially perilous, as crocodiles often lie in wait to ambush the wildebeests as they attempt to cross. Wildebeests also face threats from humans, primarily through habitat loss, hunting, and poaching. However, they are not currently considered endangered, and their populations are stable in protected areas like national parks. In the wild, wildebeests typically live to around 15 to 20 years, although many do not survive to reach old age due to the various challenges they face. The average life expectancy is much lower, with many falling victim to predators or environmental factors, such as drought. In protected areas with fewer predators and human interventions, wildebeests may live longer, but natural predation pressures significantly lower the overall lifespan of individuals in the wild. Wildebeests play a vital role in maintaining the health of grassland ecosystems. Their grazing helps control the growth of grasses which can otherwise become overgrown, affecting the balance of the entire ecosystem. Their migration also aids in the movement of nutrients across vast areas. The waste produced by wildebeests acts as fertilizer for the grasses, helping to enrich the soil and stimulate plant growth. Additionally, their movements help to keep the populations of predators like lions and hyenas healthy by providing a stable source of food which helps maintain the balance of the predator-prey dynamic.